want to look at intermolecular forces. We have these four questions that want us to determine what the intermolecular forces are. Now, remember, what does every single substance out there always have? Well, they all have dispersion. So the first thing I can go through and I can write dispersion on every single one of these. Remember, that's always present, so that's a freebie. You should get that right on every homework question as well as every exam that you take. So these all have dispersion. Now, the next thing that we looked at was dipole-dipole. So that means it's got to have a polar bond. So which of these have a polar bond? Well, we know that HCl has a polar bond, so it's going to be a dipole-dipole. We know that water, that also has a dipole, so this is going to be dipole-dipole. This one, nope, it's not a polar bond. And this one, yep, it's a polar bond as well, so it's going to have dipole-dipole. Now, what's the other kind of bonding we talked about? Well, it's hydrogen bonding, and that is another one that tells us what kind of intermolecular force we have. So we just need to determine of these four, which one has hydrogen bonding. Well, there's an H, it's bonded to Cl, but Cl is not in our list for hydrogen bonding, so it's not that one. This one, H, is bonded to an O, yep, that's hydrogen bonding. Oh, Br2, that has nothing to do with hydrogen, don't care. This one, yep, it's got an H, oh, look, it's bonded to an O, so that means it's also hydrogen bonding. So for me, it's easier if you do all of them at once, doing each individual force versus trying to do one problem at a time.